Hey guys, Ben with Surveyor coming to you from the Forest River Studio. Today we're going to walk through a brand new Surveyor Legend floor plan 261 RKLE. This is a rear kitchen couples coach, 30 feet from tip to tip and under 6,500 pounds. It's got some incredible features. Let's get into it. All right, we are out front of the brand new 261 RKLE Surveyor Legend. Let's check out the top features we've got going on up front here. Standard power tongue jack with the hitch light. We've got dual propane, which is going to be standard on all of our dual axle floor plans. We've also got standard battery disconnect, and this is the repeater for your tire pressure monitoring system. That's going to be standard equipment as well for 2025. That's going to monitor heat, tire pressure. If you have a fast leak or a slow leak, it'll notify you of that as well. So a great safety feature. Around the side here, we've got your pass-through storage access. We've got slam latch baggage doors all the way around on this unit. We've got a really nice pass-through area here. We've got aluminum bed bases in all of our models. We've got a really nice drill bit here that's going to assist with the standard manual jacks that you're going to have on the Surveyor Legend product. And then you've got some great features in here, motion lighting, USB-C port. Let's move this way. On both entryways, you're going to notice you've got a black glass entry door, 26-inch door, so a little bit wider, easier to get in. You've also got standard Lippert solid steps on both entryways. Nice big grab handle as well. Check out this outside kitchen setup here. You've got hot and cold exterior spray port, outside TV connections. This is going to be the setup for your slide-on kitchen. You're going to have a bracket that slides on to hold your Suburban Elite Series griddle. You've also got a really nice prep table that's going to slide on there as well. You've got Goodyear tires. We talked about the tire pressure monitoring system. You're going to have standard Goodyear endurance tires on every Surveyor floor plan. We've got some things going on by the entry door here. Again, Lippert solid steps. You've got extended season ready on every single Surveyor floor plan. You've got 2-inch aluminum floor with block foam insulation. You've got forced heat to the underbelly, so you've got dedicated heat being forced to the underbelly when you're running your furnace. You've also got standard 12-volt heating pads on every single model in the Legend and Grand Surveyor lineup, so keep that in mind. Around back here, you're going to have some really nice standard equipment as well. Standard spare tire with the cover. You've got a 2-inch receiver hitch. You've also got Lippert on-the-go ladder prep that's going to accommodate that telescoping ladder. It goes all the way to the ground, making it easy to get on that first step, and it extends beyond the roof line of the trailer as well. You've also got standard rear camera prep, so some great features going on the back of this 261 RK. Okay, we are in the brand new 261 RKLE. We've got some amazing features inside here. Again, 30-foot floor plan from tip to tip, but there is a ton of space in here. 82-inch ceiling height, 6-foot tall slide outs. You've got a standard 15K AC in here. You've got optional 50-amp service, and you can option a second AC in the bedroom if you'd like. You've got a beautiful rear kitchen setup here, tons of counter space. You've got a 21-inch oven, pots and pans storage below, but a ton of cabinet storage here, overheads, cabinets below, a nice bank of drawers over there as well, but a lot of room, a lot of space in the kitchen for somebody that likes to work in the kitchen. You've got a real wood cutting board here that also doubles as a sink cover, so a really nice setup there for 2025. Really nice functional setup there. You've got some nice windows here as well, so you can see the outdoors while you're working in the kitchen. Let's check out this bar area here before we move to the living area. Really nice bar setup when you walk in that door. Gives you a lot of space too, so when you're actually sitting at the bar, it doesn't make this space crowded for somebody to come in and out of the unit. So a lot of space here, but just a really nice area for two people to sit and enjoy the inside of the camper, congregate with people sitting at these other sitting areas. All right, let's check out the refrigerator here. You've got a standard 10 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. We've got standard solar on this unit as well, 400 watts of solar with a 30-amp controller and inverter prep, so keep that in mind. But you've got a huge refrigerator in this model, and then you've got a full-size pantry here as well. Check that out. You've got some really nice cubby nets here to keep everything in, but a ton of space with motion lighting as well. All right, let's check out the living area here of this 261 RKLE. You've got a optional 74-inch theater seat here. Standard equipment is going to be a 74-inch trifold, but you can upgrade to the theater seat. But a really nice sitting area here, tons of space. You can actually accommodate 3 people here, But if you've just got two, you can fold down that console, give you a couple extra cup holders, but all three sections of this feeder seat are actually gonna recline, so a really nice setup there. Really nice overheads above with the gas struts. We do that on all of our overhead doors. Really nice booth dinette setup over here. Again, you've got that bar top if you want to sit at the bar and hang out there, but you've got a 4-person dinette, very comfortable for 4 people, 4 adults, or kids as well. But if you want to sit here and play cards, really nice setup for that. Nice big window here on the campsite as well. And then you've got even more storage above with the TV that is directly across from your sofa, so a really nice setup for entertainment. All right, let's check out the bathroom in this 261 RK. A ton of nice features in here. You've got a really nice window facing the outdoors. You've got a porcelain toilet in here, toilet paper holder, slow close retractable shower door with this skylight. It's gonna accommodate those taller people. You do have 82-inch ceiling height again, but with the skylight gives you even more headroom. You've got a 4-speed, high-powered Furrion fan. You're gonna have that in a lot of our models, but a great feature in this 261 RK. Motion lighting in here, lots of counter space, and you've even got the medicine cabinet here with the built-in storage behind it, with the toothbrush holder. So a lot of nice features in here. Also in here, you're gonna find the switches for your 12-volt heating pads, as well as your controls for your tankless on-demand water heater. All right, we are up front of the 261 RK. Beautiful front bedroom setup here. All of our Legend floor plans are gonna have a 60 by 80 queen bed. You've got the storage underneath, the nice his and her drawers as well up front with the motion lighting under there, gas strut assisted. So really nice setup for bedroom storage. Check out the other storage we've got here. We really try to utilize all of the space inside this front bedroom. Oversized wardrobes. Again, you've got overheads here with the gas strut assist, 2 drawers on each side. You've got power and USB on the foot of the bed, and then this really nice cubby area here with the floating shelves. It really opens up the bedroom space so you don't feel crowded, but gives you some additional storage. You've got built-in cup holders and power down there again. Nice front window as well, letting some natural light in, but just a beautiful front bedroom setup here in the 261 RK. And again, if you want, you can get this with 50 amp service or a second AC in the bedroom. So you've got that option, keep that in mind. All right, thank you for joining me on this walkthrough with the 261 RKLE, brand new rear kitchen couples coach, part of our Surveyor Legend series. For more information, you can go to our website at www.forstriverinc.com/surveyor. You can follow us on social media as well. Thanks for joining me.